Hey everybody. Today we're covering interval notation. So inequalities and intervals are everywhere in mathematics. Things like -2 less than or equal to x less than 7. We'd like a universal and concise way of describing ranges of values like this one, and interval notation gives it to us. I think the best way to understand interval notation is just by doing examples. So let's jump right in and write down the interval notation for this inequality. It's bracket -2, 7, parenthesis. It means all the real numbers between -2 and 7. The bracket indicates that the value -2 is included in the set, and that corresponds to the less than or equal to on the left-hand part of that inequality up above. The parenthesis around the 7 indicates that that value is not included in the set, and that corresponds to the x less than 7. A couple more examples. 1/2 less than x less than 7/9 is parenthesis 1/2, 7/9, parenthesis. All the real numbers between 1/2 and 7/9, both endpoints omitted. X greater than or equal to 17. So here we have an interval that goes on forever. It's going to start at 17 and then keep going forever to the right. It's written like this. Bracket 17, infinity, parenthesis. 17's included, x greater than or equal to 17. We take all the real numbers that go from 17 to infinity. Notice the parenthesis around the infinity. We never include infinity or negative infinity in our intervals. It's not even a number, so it can't be included in any set of real numbers. Here's another example, this time a visual one. I want to write the interval notation for this set. Here we actually have two intervals, -4, -1, and 3, infinity. Notice that I've used the square brackets on -4, -1, and 3, indicating that all those points are included. And of course, a parenthesis around the infinity. Infinity is never included. Mathematicians don't like using words when symbols will do, so usually we write this set in this way. -4, -1, union 3, infinity. It's basically a U symbol without a foot on the U. And it means to include all the values in each of the two sets. Here's another example that's going to require a union. I want to write this set in interval notation. Here I have three intervals, -3, -2, both endpoints omitted, union 0, 1, both endpoints included, union 3, 4, only the left-hand endpoint included. One final example. Sketch the set -infinity, 0, union 0, infinity. So we have two intervals. We're going to draw a number line and shade each one in. We're going to leave out the value 0, actually from each one of those intervals. Here's the picture. On the left, you see -infinity, 0, with 0 omitted. On the right, you see 0, infinity, again, with 0 omitted. This is just the set x not equal to 0.